if A equal 1 2 and B equal to 3 4, then number of subsets, or how many subsets will A cross B have? Every set is subset of itself. Every set is subset of itself, and null set is also subset of every set. So phi and A cross B is an element of subset of A cross B, and the formula of number of subsets is equals to 2 to the power n of A cross B. Now NA equals to 2, NB equals to 2, n of A cross B is equals to NA NB, that is 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So number of subsets will A cross B have is equals to 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Now number of elements or number of subset will A cross B have, it means number of power set. If A is a set 1 comma 2, then power set of A is phi 1 2 1 comma 2. So number of elements in power set is 2 to the power Na. So 2 to the n of A is 2. So 2 square equal to 4. By this formula we use 2 to the power n of A cross B, because we have to find subset of A cross B. Just for example, here phi is null set, is a set, single 1 is a singleton set, only 2 is a singleton set, is also a subset. 1 and 2 both are also a subset of this set, because every set is subset of itself. 1 2 is subset of itself. Phi or null set is subset of every set. If x equal 2 3 5 and y equal 2 4 6, from the set of all ordered pairs x comma y such that x is less than y. So here x is first element of the ordered pair, that means x is domain, and y is second element of ordered pair, so y is range. X is 2 3 5, this is x, and this is y 2 4 6. Here x is always less than y, so 2 is less than 4, 2 is less than 6, having a relation. 3 is less than 4, 3 is less than 6, having another relation. 5 is less than 6, so 5 and 6 is another relation. So total relation is 2 4 2 6 3 4 3 6 and 5 6. Here x is 2 3 4, y is 4 6 9 10, from the set of all ordered pairs x y such that x is a factor of y. This is x 2 3 4 and this is y 4 6 9 10. Now see that 2 is factor of 4, so 2 and 4 having a relation. 2 is a factor of 6, so having a relation 2 6. 2 is a factor of 10, so 2 is a relation with 10. 3 is a factor of 6, So there is a relation. 3 is factor of 9. 4 is factor of 4. So required relation is 2 4, 2 6, 2 10, 3 6, 3 9, 4 4.